All right, so on the final, if you have a question that's looking for like yield to maturity, you're gonna have like all the other information, right? The par value, coupon rate, market, what it's like currently selling for, how many years, like whether the payments are like semi-annual, quarterly, or whatever. So you're gonna use like, yeah, the bond equation, right? You have the market value, they give you that. Coupon rate is 1,000 times 10%, 100, but semi-annually, so that's 50. All this other stuff, like how it's 10 years, but semi-annually, that makes this 20. You're basically solving for R up here, right? The yield to maturity. So in the calculator, you're gonna plug that in as X. You have this shit over here. Basically, on over here, on this side, right? Like this, the right side, I'm gonna put in for like Y1, left side for Y2, and then once you graph it, you're gonna see like where they intersect, and that's gonna be the rate. So yeah, I've already plugged it in here. If you haven't, like you don't know about how to do alpha y equals, it pulls up, you know, like a fraction. That kind of makes it a little bit easier to write it down, I think, and like make sure you're doing the correct stuff. Make sure if it's like semi-annual, you put x over 2 and have like the correct amount of time. It is 10 years, but since it's semi-annually, that becomes 20 divided by x over 2 once again. Make sure you can see everything I'm doing. Plus 1,000, which is the, you know, amount you're gonna get at the end. Once again, x over 2 to the 20, and boom. And that's basically what I had at Y1 already, but just in case you didn't know that little trick. So I'm gonna clear that out. Next thing you wanna do is go to Windows. Here, since you are looking for the yield to maturity, right, you'd expect it to be a decimal. So you're solving for x. So the x value on the graph, the answer should be between 0 and 1. Like it's a fraction, right? So I always set my x to that. If you're looking for like time, right, and they give you the yield to maturity, that you might want to put this up at like 40 or something, right, for however many years it's going to be. But we'll just keep it at 1. X min 0, right, because there's going to be no negative numbers. Y max, I mean, the price is at 800, so that's going to be the line that you're looking for where it's going to intersect. Sorry, I'm at my girlfriend's apartment, so everything's pink. Anyways, so you want that to be like higher, right, than the number you have, so you can at least see it. Then you just hit graph, and maybe if you have a better calculator, it won't take so long, but this is going to take a minute. The other cool thing is you're gonna have answer choices, right? Since the market price is lower than the par value, it means it's selling at a discount, so you expect the market rate of return to be higher than a coupon. So if there's only one answer that's higher than the coupon rate, then you immediately know that that would be the correct one. If that doesn't make sense, then this is what you do. Second calc, go down to intersect, just press enter however many times, 3 times. And then once it does it, 13.73%, that would be your yield to maturity. And I mean, I made this question up, so it's exact, but that's how you do it.